Hey there, I'm Daisy Whitney reporting for BTV and NBC Bay Area. I'm here at Google headquarters and we are going to be talking about some recent advancements in the Google Chrome browser. So Eitan, you recently introduced some new updates to Chrome and new versions. Talk a little bit about that.
So we launched Chrome in September of 2008, and since then we've had a great response from users. We're up to about 40 million active users, which is really exciting for a product that launched a year ago. Last week we had a couple exciting announcements. We launched beta versions of Chrome for Mac and Linux. So now it's available on kind of all three major platforms. We also announced an extensions platform available for beta users on Windows and on Linux. So now third-party developers can build extensions for Chrome that add functionality and kind of add additional features that users may want.
What are some of the most popular extensions, either on Chrome or that just in general you think web users want?
Yeah, so there's a few great ones. One is a Gmail checker that puts a little Gmail icon on the top of your Chrome and tells you how many unread emails you have. So it's great so you don't have to just go and log into your email every time to figure out if you have new emails. Another one is a Twitter checker. So you can actually access your Twitter feed, see all of the new updates, and follow all your friends kind of right in Chrome without having to go to the page.
Now, I imagine you probably had a lot of user feedback from the Mac community and Linux community about wanting a version for Chrome. What was the reception? And in fact, was there a lot of feedback saying, please make this work for Macs?
Definitely. So Mac users are very vocal, and we definitely knew that we wanted to release a version for the Mac users. We've been working really hard. We wanted to release something that was really good, really polished, that felt really at home on the Mac, that just didn't seem like a Windows port, but actually have utilized a lot of the native capabilities of Mac. And it was just really fast. And so we took our time. We wanted to make sure we did it right, and we're really proud with what we were able to release.
Now, there are a lot of browsers out there. There's Firefox, there's Internet Explorer, obviously there's Chrome, there's Safari. You meet somebody at a cocktail party that might not be familiar with all of them. How do you explain what makes Chrome distinct from the others?
So, I mean, we focused on three things in developing Chrome: speed, simplicity, and security. I think the key thing, the number one takeaway, is speed. We really wanted to make sure that when you double-click on the icon, the browser just loads really quickly, that when you click on a new page, when you do a search, everything just happens really snappy, and that when you load some of these complex web applications like Gmail or Facebook, the processing that happens behind the scenes happens really quickly, so it feels like you're working on a native application. Click Install. It puts a little icon up here in the top of the browser.
And this is the Google Translate extension right now, which will translate any web page into another language?
That's right. So if we go to lemonde.fr, which is a French news site, what actually happens here is that, ooh, there's a big ad. I get this pop-up that says, translate this page into English. It automatically detects that it's not in English. I click Translate, and automatically it translates the entire page's content into the language that you want. So it's really useful, really helpful. Basically lets you search the web and browse the web in almost any language.
That's pretty neat.
It's all automatic, yeah.